Ooh, look at that. One ride and that's it. Oh, this isn't even the right elevators. I wasn't even the other ones. Alright, here we go. One ride and that's it. Oh! Holy but Jesus. Oh my god, that's so fun. Your Thyssenkrupp elevators. Look at that weird door track. Let's see if we get a different one. That's a weird door track. Look at those cool looking indicators. Isn't that a cool indicator? These are cool looking buttons. It's a cool looking button panel. We'll get the Cafe 1 Express on. Oh my god, these are fast. I was lucky enough to get these. Oh, we're stopping. Oh, look at this one. Let's see. I think it's on this floor. Let that one go. These are cool looking traditional blends. I'm pretty sure this is the regular Encore. I know there's another one, another tower with the Sky Casino. I don't know where that is though. That's what I was trying to look for. Yeah, I think this is the one we just got. Alright, well. Actually, we'll go to the salon and pool. I think there's an elevator over there that's hydraulic. Whoa, these are fast. Probably gotta get copyright from the music. These are beautiful elevators. My ears are already popping. The cool looking ceiling. These are your buttons. Ooh, that's stopping. Ooh. Yeah, there's a pool elevator. We'll check that out. Look at that. These are nice. Anyways, that's it. I got it down. I don't know which one came. That's it down. Let's see if it takes my call it might. No, it did not. It left instead. I'm surprised I even got in here. Trying to wait for my up call. Because we're gonna go up to the top and see if we get a full ride down. Ah, here we go. Nope, it's this one. There might be somebody in it.
Yeah, it's weird. Have a good one. Thanks, you too.
Again, no 44s. It's really like 50-something stories tall. Alright. Now we'll finish up on the lobby. Watch the indicators going down. Here we go. Oh my god, these are fast. Oof. Stopping. It like drips down. It's so weird. There you go. Whoa, it just... Okay then. That's a really cool... That's a genius idea for a lantern. Whoa, look at that. You just went up one floor though. Dude, that's sick. I've never seen anything like that before. There's that one. That is sick. Anyways, that's it.